Sawara is a beautiful historic town located in Chiba Prefecture, where the atmosphere of the Edo period still remains. The Onagawa River, also known as Kido River, flows through the center of the town, and along the river, traditional merchant houses and warehouses line up. The boat tours are especially popular, and the view of the town from the river is exceptional. Moreover, the Sawara Grand Festival is considered one of the 3 major festivals in the Kanto region, and the sight of the grand floats parading is impressive. In addition, Sawara has many historic buildings and old streets, allowing you to feel the traditional culture of Japan just by strolling around.